Hello friends, today we are going to learn about single push button control, motor control. If you press once push button, the motor will start. If you press again the same push button, the motor get off. Okay, this program we are going to do in omron PLC. Okay, for you first open CX programmer. After that, select new. So you give a device name as motor control. Okay, select which PLC you want. Okay, CP1E, CP1H. Okay, you select CP1H. And okay, motor control is illegal name. Choose another name. So what is the raw? Here we have to give line. Okay, underscore we have to give. Okay, right. So in section, see. Okay, now we are going to control the one motor with single push button. So you first select contact, take contact, pressing address of 0.00 and comment as a push button. Okay, after that you are going to set block. You are using set block set at 0.00. Okay, give comment as push button start. Push button start. Okay, okay. Then again you take one more contact, same 0.00. Okay, you are going to set, you are going to use a counter. Counter you are going to use. The counter instruction is CNT counter and 0 as a counter number. And how many times you are going to press push button? One time start and another time stop. No, so two times. So give number as 2. Okay, here you have to give a comment push button counts. Okay, right. So in if we are using a counter no, so we need to give a reset option also. You see, this line is there. So for that, how the counter gets reset? If counter gets on means if it counts 2 times, the counter gets reset. Okay, so select N1 and C means counter and 0. You write number as 0. Counter number 0. After that, you add the same to counters. Okay. So now you use it set block. So motor gets on. So if again press the set must get reset now. So for that you again you take one more NO contact. If counter gets on means C0, you are going to reset a set block Q 100.00. So for that you write a address. Sorry, you are going to use a reset block. So reset, what is the address we have to mention? 100.00. 100.00. Okay. So go to simulation mode. Okay. So now you force this one. So we are going to force this one. Force. See, counter get on. It count as a one number and motor also on. So again you have to force. So the counter must read two counts. Yes, it got two counts and the counter didn't got off. Why? Because I am using a NO block. So this is also right, but we have to do. So it is getting immediately reset. Okay, it's got on, but immediately it is getting reset. Okay, so here I am forcing now. So that is the problem. So for that, you have to use this one as a differentiate up. Now you see it will get. So what is differentiate up? So differentiate up means it will give one pulse only. If you make it force also, it will give only one pulse. Okay. In push button, it is continuously giving full pulse. But in differentiator, it will give only one pulse. So after that, it goes to off. Okay. You first make it force, motor got on. Right. Again, you make it off, and again force. See, understand? Motor got off. So one more mistake we have did is this is output Q 100.00 now. So not push button start. So this is motor start. Okay. Now again you go to simulation mode and start on once again. Force the motor got on and the count came one count. Make it off and again in force the motor will get off. Okay. Motor got off. Okay. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and please like and share my channel.